Consider the line in standard form, defined as minus 2x minus y equals 9. And we have two parts here. Part A, what is the slope of a line parallel to this given line? And then part B is asking us, what is the slope of a line that is perpendicular to this given line? So the first thing that we want to do here is we need to find the slope of this given line. So we want to convert the line to its slope-intercept form. So recall that your slope-intercept form, that's y equals m times x plus b. So if we convert this standard form to slope-intercept form, we'll be able to easily see what the slope of this line is. So here we go. Again, we are given minus 2x minus 7y is equal to 9, and we need to isolate y. So first things first, let's add 2x to both sides of this equation. So minus 2x plus 2x cancels itself out, and we're left now with a minus 7y is equal to 2x plus 9. Beautiful! And now to isolate y, notice here that we have a negative 7 times y. So we are going to divide both sides here by negative 7. And what I'm going to do with my right-hand side here is I'm going to divide each term by negative 7. So I've distributed that negative 7 through. So on the left, we see negative 7 divided by negative 7 cancels itself out to 1, leaving us with y is equal to minus 2/7 times x. And notice we have a positive divided by a negative, so that produces a minus 9/7. And so we can see that the slope of our given line is minus 2/7. So this is what we're going to use now to find the slope of a line that is parallel to this given line, as well as the slope of a line that is perpendicular to this given line. So part A, let's begin by recalling what makes two lines parallel. So we say that we have parallel lines if the slopes of these two lines are equivalent. So if the slope of the first line is equal to the slope of the second line, the lines are parallel. So that's nice and easy. This lets us know that therefore the slope of a line that is parallel to our given line is minus 2/7. Oops, we did it. Woo! Now for part B, we need to recall what makes two lines perpendicular. So we say that we have perpendicular lines, or two lines are perpendicular to each other if the product of their slopes is negative 1. So if the slope of the first line multiplied by the slope of the second line equals negative 1, these lines are parallel. Now, an alternative way to think about this is that if the slope of the first line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of the other line. So we'll use this second form here to find the slope of a line that's perpendicular to our given line. So here we go. We have the slope of a line perpendicular to our given line will be defined as negative 1 all over minus 2/7. And we know that fractions in the denominator flip, where we multiply by the reciprocal. So we have negative 1 times negative 7 halves. And a negative times a negative produces a positive value. Woohoo! So therefore, the slope of a line that is perpendicular to our given line is defined as 7 halves.